filed by victims and families affected by the 1998 bomb blast who were seeking compensation from the government, ruling that the case lacked merit. And as Elizabeth Atieno now reports, in its judgment, the court held that the petitioners failed to prove that the government had prior knowledge of actionable intelligence about the impending attack and neglected to act on it.
10:30 a.m., 7th of August 1998. Lives were taken. Lives were changed. A huge explosion at the American embassy completely transformed the landscape of Kenya's capital, Nairobi, claiming the lives of 224 people and leaving approximately 5,000 injured. And 28 years since the terrific experience, and the fight for compensation from the U.S. government rages on. Today, a section of the victims walked through the corridors of the Milimani law courts with the hope of getting the much-awaited compensation, but their hopes were dashed in a judgment delivered by Justice Lawrence Mugambi.
For the reasons aforesaid, I find the petition lacks merit and I hereby dismiss the same in its entirety. Each party shall bear its own costs.
Moments after this ruling, the mood in the courtroom drastically changed. The victims walked in here in high spirits, but now their faces scream of shock, disappointment, and anger.
In a few days, we will be moving to the Court of Appeal.
Kama watu wamekataa, Wamarekani watakubali aje? This is serious and it is nonsense.
The road to compensation has not been smooth. In 2010, the U.S. government announced plans to compensate victims of the bombing with up to $800 million each in a case involving 500 Kenyan victims. In August 2014, a U.S. court awarded 6 Kenyan victims 100 billion Kenya shillings. However, a year later, many victims raised concerns that they had yet to receive any compensation, and this prompted them to file a petition for compensation at the High Court through Kituo cha Sheria in May 2021. Elizabeth Atieno, TV 47, Nairobi.
All right.